Hi guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and start cooking, and we are going to make some stir fry today. This is a very simple, easy dinner. It literally takes about 40 minutes to prepare the stir fry as well as your white rice. And all you're gonna need for this is your stir fry meat as well as some salt and pepper, garlic, and onion powder as well. And so yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and add our ingredients into our meat and stir that and cook that on medium high heat. So while our meat is cooking, I am going to start with the white rice, and I'm just going to start preparing it with some water, a spoon of butter, as well as my washed rice into this pot, and then I will cover it with the lid and I have the heat up into medium low heat. And yeah, so it's just gonna come to a boil, and then once it boils, I just keep the rice covered until it's already cooled down, and I just let it simmer, and that is it. It literally takes about 15 minutes. All right, so now we can go ahead and add our deluxe stir fry veggies. Now, if you want, you can totally add fresh veggies if you want, or frozen veggies, however suits you. But since we're doing a fast, easy dinner prep, so I'm just going to add frozen veggies. And then after that's cooked, we're going to add the teriyaki sauce into the veggies and the meat and cook it all together for another about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, so that is it. What did I tell you? It's very simple and easy. And let me tell you, it is so delicious. That sauce with that meat and the veggies, it just all comes together. So all you want to do, how to prep it, is simply just add your rice, and then on top, add your stir fry with veggies, and enjoy. All right, so now that we already had that delicious dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my kitchen. That way, in the morning, it is nice and clean, and I can just enjoy my cup of coffee in the morning. And there was so much left over that Chris was able enough to take some for lunch for tomorrow morning. So I'm just going to prepare his lunch. That way, that just saves me some time, and I do not have to wake up in the morning to make him um, his his lunch. So yeah, so that's what I'm just gonna do here, and then I'll finish off with the rest of the cleaning. So I was wondering, how do you start washing your dishes first? Do you do your cup, plates, utensils, and pans? Like, what order do you do to wash your dishes? I always find myself, I do cups first, plates, utensils, and then my pans. I don't know if that's even a thing, or like what's the right way to wash your dishes, but I'm dying to know, like, how is it that you do your dishes? All right, guys, so I wanted to try something different. You know, if you are used to watching my videos, you know that I always like time lapse cleaning or speed cleaning, but I actually kind of turned it down. Let me know how you guys like it. Like, do you prefer it this way or do you prefer me to do it in a faster mode? Either way, I still get it done, but I'm just curious. Like, I just wanted to try something different, and honestly, it just looks more like you can actually focus on what I'm doing rather than if it was going really fast. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know. Which one do you prefer? Time lapse, speed cleaning, or regular time cleaning?
Contigo.
All right, so I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering why am I doing laundry in the nighttime? And that is because the electric company that I am with, they offer us free nights, and it's been like that for about 2 years now. So um, I just kind of got used to washing my laundry in the nighttime. The only time I do any laundry in the daytime, it's if there's an emergency or an accident happen and it needs to be washed. But other than that, my washing routine is always in the nighttime. But so yeah, so anything to help me save a couple of bucks, I am going to do it. And I was kind of thinking maybe I can do a laundry routine on just, I mean, there's nothing special about it, but if you guys are more interested on what I do in my laundry process, I can totally do a video on that and I can get in more details exactly what I do and how I do it. But so yeah, so that's what we're doing is just our laundry in the nighttime. All right, guys, so this is it, and all I'm gonna do last is hang our shirts because normally I do not like to dry most of our shirts, that way they don't shrink. But so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks, guys.